Hey guys, welcome back to Power Tool Week in Review. I'm Rob. We have breaking tool news.
Yesterday, we broke the news that Milwaukee was launching a new modular pipeline inspection system that's set to dominate the pipeline camera industry. What we didn't tell you was about a new M12 tool that is officially the most expensive accessory Milwaukee has ever made. And I want one because it looks like a space rifle. Let's go! This is the M12 Pipeline Locator, the perfect, if not totally necessary, accessory for the new M18 Modular Pipeline Inspection System. This is the device you'll use to physically locate your sonde and start digging after you've found the problem with your camera. The Milwaukee version offers a bright 4.3-inch color LCD display that can easily be read in sunlight. The 1.5 amp hour M12 battery will give you 9 hours of runtime and recharge in under 30 minutes. So, no more replacing stacks of alkaline batteries. And it wouldn't be Milwaukee if it wasn't heavy duty, something that's especially important when you're dealing with a large screen. The locator's equipped with an impact-rated screen, rubber overmold, and a sealed battery door for maximum protection. And with one key integration, you can track this thing too and make sure it doesn't walk off the job site. So, how much is the most expensive Milwaukee accessory ever? Try $2,500. Now, I realize that sounds like a lot, but look, it's a magic wand that can see into the ground. Can your kid do that? Nope. And they cost a lot more than $2,500. So, there you go. Buy one. You can pre-order it now over at ohiopowertool.com.
To make sure you don't miss any Power Tool news, be sure to like and subscribe, and catch us this Friday for the Power Tool Week in Review.